How to save your CapCut videos on your gallery. If you're struggling to save your videos on your gallery, I have some steps on how you can do it. Firstly, go on your CapCut app. Now, tap on New Project or on your existing videos. I am tapping on my existing video. Kindly tap on your video and then add some edits that you want to make. After you're done making your edits, tap on the arrow button that is on your top right corner of your screen. As you can see, there are options in which you have to tap on Save to Device. After you tap on it, it will automatically save the CapCut video on your device. As you can see, you can also share it to TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even on Facebook. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.